Okay, and hear me again with the board. Now, we're going to learn in this video how you can run your crypto as a business, how we can make a cash flow, how we can make a passive income 24/7 so we can use our crypto to be our assets, not liability. Liability is something that's taking your money out, assets is something that's giving you money in, and that is very important to understand. Now watch this video to the end because it is extremely important to understand how this is working and how you can win. And it's not so hard how you think, you just need to learn a little bit. Now let me help you. Now in the last few months I've been yield farming a lot, and I did a video what is yield farming, what is concentrate liquidity pool. So go and watch that video. It was just yesterday or just a couple of days ago. It depends when you watch this video. Now I have a lot of videos for notes, and I'm using yield farming to make a passive income. So everybody needs to have a moon bag. So here you need to have your moon bag. Okay, so this is your bag, and this needs to grow bigger and bigger and bigger. Now the problem is we don't have unlimited money to buy tokens all the time when there is a dip. Now that is the problem. So we need to create a cash flow so we can have everyday money so we can start buying when there is a dip. So concentrated liquidity pool is one of the way. What do you mean about that? So what I'm doing is I'm investing in different pools. What's mean is every pool, so I'm taking big chunk of this portfolio, let's say, you know, some percentage. Let's say everybody can take 5, 10, 20, 50. Some of them only use yield farming, and I'm producing passive income, okay? So check this out. If you go, just look your bank account. Look your bank account. How many? This is your bank account. You have only one income, your paycheck, correct? How many outcome you have? You have bills, electric, you have phone bills, you have car payment, you need to eat, you need to sleep, okay? You need to pay your girlfriend, your boyfriend dinner or whatever, you need to go out. So all of these are expensive, and we only have one income, usually it's the paycheck. So we need to use crypto so we can have more income. So that's why, and that's how we can use crypto to create a cash flow, a little bit business. So that's how I'm teaching, and I'm trying to show you how we can use it. And I'm learning from one amazing group. It's called UIG group, and I mentioned it 100 times. It's one of the best group to join. Again, join my Telegram, it's free. More than happy to share everything I know. You go and join that group, say CryptoPhil, and you're going to get a big discount the second month. All right, so let's go back. So this is how we're going to create more passive income. If what I'm doing is I'm using more pools to get in. I'm using here, let's say one crypto pool to make some passive income. This is on Solana and USDC, okay? USDC, okay? Then I'm having one more here, Ethereum with Render or wherever you choose. I have one more here, SUI, okay? This is SUI. Then I have one with Injective and USDC, okay? So all these little bit businesses, small businesses, give me income every single day, 24/7. Of course, you need to learn how you can create, how you can add liquidity pools, how they're working, and also to be aware of impermanent loss. Now, all this money you getting every single day a passive income. So with this passive income, okay, you can go and grow your crypto portfolio. You can compound back inside. So that's what I'm doing. My most money going right here and right here, but now probably 80% going right here, 70, 80% or 100%. Some days they're going back so I can build up and build up and build up. And when I need, I will take something out for the family, okay? Out, and that's for family, all right? So that's how we can run the business. That's how you can use your crypto as a business. Also, my other passive income from crypto is notes. So I have a couple of passive income notes. So I have a couple of notes. I will. Can you see it? Yeah. So I will see 1 note, 2 note, 3 notes. I'm taking the money here, and I'm going back right here. or I'm using them to buy more nodes. Okay, simple as that. So I know it's a little bit drawing, but that's the idea how you can create a passive income using your own crypto. Now, that's what is one of the easiest way. I know a lot of people trying to find the meme tokens, the 100x tokens, but this is nice and steady. Let me just tell you, do you know how much is earning right here, the liquidity pools? There are days where you can earn 0.2, 0.3, 0.5 per day. Sometimes you're earning 0.8, 0.9, 1, 2, 3% per day. Now it depends how huge is the trading volume. Like Neon and Sol, I was earning 2.53% per day for almost a week. That's around 20% only in a week. That's crazy because the trading volume was high. Now when I'm doing this video, it's around 0.2, but 0.2 is around 60-70% a year APR, and that still is huge. So this is one of the way how we can run your crypto as business, how we can create cash flow so we can have a passive income every single day. Now, what are you going to do with that money? That's up to you. Just remember the picture. In the bank or in life, we have a lot of money going out and only usually one coming in. That's why we must create. That's why everybody getting property. You know, that's why everybody open different businesses so you can have more money coming in. All right, I hope you understand. That's about it for now. Love you all. Watch every video, ask me any question in the comment section, or just come and chat with me in my Telegram. It's free. Join and ask me any question you have. Now, I will leave some links in from very good videos down in the description. Make sure you watch them. Goodbye. Have a wonderful day. Ciao.